We love the birds, trees, ants, dolphins. Not only do we love them, but we also protect them. We carry out sustainable production processes. We foster and drive innovation in our processes. We design for recycling and reuse. We save energy to save the future. We don't overconsume and we reduce waste. We operate our inventory on a first-in, first-out basis. We only store what we need. We enhance our community. We support social initiatives and encourage sustainable initiatives internally. We make decisions and plans for long-term success. We cooperate with our customers, suppliers and stakeholders. We support our employees' development regardless of gender, race or creed. Korozo Academy is open to all. At Korozo, we believe in sustainability and we strive for sustainability.